how to download Minecraft Java Edition for free on your PC or laptop. So if you want to download Minecraft Java Edition for free on your PC or laptop, then what you need to do is just watch this video. Now, before starting, there's a quick disclaimer. This method is only for the educational and personal use only to test Minecraft or play it offline. If you enjoy the game, I highly recommend purchasing the official version to support the developers. Now let's begin. So we are going to use a third-party launcher that lets you play Minecraft Java Edition without needing a paid account. So you can use two types of launchers. The first is a T launcher, which is easy to use and beginner friendly. And the second is Prism launcher, which is clean, open source, and even supports modding. So it's totally up to you which one you want to choose. Now for this guide, I will choose T launcher. So what you'll do is go to a browser and then enter in the URL section, you need to enter tlauncher.org or search for T launcher, and then you'll find the option right here. Click on the first link and you will have the T launcher. As you can see that it says T launcher, the launcher for Minecraft. So you need to just simply go and download it. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So you need to just click on download, then simply proceed. The download should begin. Just wait for the download to complete. And once the download is complete, simply begin the installation. Just click on yes or continue and your installation will begin. Wait for a few more seconds. You can just simply go with continue and then continue again. Click on yes and then ready to install. Click on install. Make sure to check all of these boxes and make sure to check the last box, which is download and install Java, and then click on continue. And once you've installed, go with close, which will be on the right side. And then click on OK again, which will be on the bottom. And once the installation is complete, click on complete, which will be on the bottom. And open up your T launcher. Once you open up your T launcher, you need to just go with account, which will be on the bottom, and then create an account. You need to enter the username, just enter the username, and then you can go with password or without password. After that, go and select the latest release, which will be on the bottom. Click on the version that you would like to download. Once you click on the version or once you've selected the version, go with install, which will be on the right side, and your Minecraft will be installed. Once installed, just open it up, and that's it. That's how you can download Minecraft Java Edition for free on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.